how much does YouTube actually pay? It's the question every creator asks. You see YouTubers with millions of views and wonder, are they rolling in cash? Well, let's break down the real numbers for 2026 and demystify the YouTube Partner Program. First, let's talk about RPM or revenue per mil. This is the money you earn for every 1,000 views. It's not a fixed number. It varies wildly. In 2026, the average RPM across all channels is hovering around $2 to $5. But here's the kicker. It's all about your niche. For example, if you're making videos about personal finance, investing, or real estate, your audience is highly valuable to advertisers. Your RPM could soar to $20, $30, or even $50. Why? Because advertisers selling high-ticket items like financial services or software are willing to pay top dollar to reach those viewers. Think about it! A company selling a $1,000 course is happy to pay more for an ad spot than a company selling a $5 mobile game. On the flip side, entertainment channels, like comedy sketches or gaming let's plays, often have a lower RPM, maybe in the $1 to $4 range. You get tons of views, but the advertisers aren't paying as much per view. So, a finance channel with 100,000 views might earn more than a gaming channel with 1 million views. It's a classic case of quality over quantity when it comes to audience demographics. Now, let's do some math. Say you have a channel with an average RPM of $4. If you get 1 million views in a month, that's 1,000 times 4, which equals $4,000 from AdSense. Not bad, right? But wait, that's just the beginning. AdSense is only one piece of the puzzle. The real money in 2026 is made through multiple income streams. Think sponsorships? A brand might pay you anywhere from a few hundred to tens of thousands of dollars for a single dedicated video, or even just a 60-second mention. The price depends on your views, engagement, and negotiating skills. A good rule of thumb is to charge around $20 to $30 per 1,000 views for a sponsorship deal. So for a video that gets 100,000 views, you could be looking at a $2,000 to $3,000 brand deal. Then there's affiliate marketing. You recommend a product you love. Put a special link in your description and earn a commission on every sale. For tech reviewers, this is huge. Promoting a $2,000 laptop with a 5% commission means you make $100 per sale. If just 10 people buy it through your link, that's an extra $1,000. And don't forget about selling your own products. This is where creators truly take control of their income. It could be merchandise like t-shirts and hats, digital products like online courses or ebooks, or even a physical product. If you have a loyal community, this can easily become your biggest revenue source, dwarfing what you make from ads. Imagine selling a $50 course to just 1% of your 100,000 subscribers. That's 1,000 sales, which adds up to $50,000. So, how much does YouTube pay? In 2026, the platform itself, through ads, pays a decent amount, especially in high-value niches. A creator with 1 million monthly views in finance could earn $20,000 or more just from AdSense. A vlogger might earn $3,000 for the same number of views. But the full picture is much bigger. When you add sponsorships, affiliate income, and your own products, a creator with 1 million views could realistically be earning anywhere from $10,000 to over $100,000 a month. The secret isn't just getting views. It's building a brand and diversifying how you monetize your audience's attention. So, if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, don't just focus on the ad revenue. Think about the community you want to build and the value you can provide. That's the real key to success on YouTube in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the creator economy. See you in the next video.